Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Apprenti program. While individuals may enter our apprenticeship programs in a few different ways, this video will cover our standard apprenticeship applicant process to give you the most comprehensive scope. At Apprenti, we create alternative pathways to access talent and help organizations address digital skills shortages. Through the time-tested model of apprenticeship, we provide economic mobility to motivated workers by identifying, training, and placing untapped talent into their dream careers. We are a nonprofit apprenticeship program registered with the federal government. Apprenti makes your career goals possible through a combination of technical training and supervised on-the-job training. Apprenti is a registered apprenticeship program with a focus on providing a reliable pipeline for eligible groups to gain training, certification, and placement across multiple talent-hungry industries across the country. In this video, we will cover the following topics: the Apprenti screening process, which includes an Apprenti interview and an employer interview. Next, the apprenticeship journey, including technical training and on-the-job training. And lastly, the conclusion: what's next for you? The Apprenti application. In order to be considered for apprenticeship opportunities, you must first apply to Apprenti. Individuals must be at least 18 years old and eligible to work in the U.S. without employer visa sponsorship for the duration of the apprenticeship. Apprenti opens applications when we have upcoming apprenticeship opportunities. You log onto Apprenti's website and fill out information about yourself, including where you are located and what your occupational interests are. After you've filled out Apprenti's application form, then you will need to take the assessment. The assessment has 3 parts: math, logic and critical thinking, and soft skills or emotional intelligence. There are prep resources available to help you prepare for the assessment. Apprenti uses the highest score from each section out of all the assessment attempts to calculate your overall score. If you get 80 or higher, you move to the eligible applicant pool. Each applicant has a total of 4 assessment attempts or until they reach a total overall score of 80 or above. The Apprenti screening process. The Apprenti screening process starts with the Apprenti interview. Apprenti will reach out to you via email to schedule. Please check your spam and junk folders regularly to ensure that you have not missed an email communication from us. To avoid missing any correspondence, we recommend that you star or flag emails containing @apprenticareers.org as important. Your prompt response is appreciated. If we do not hear back from you by the communicated deadline, we will take that as a lack of interest in the program and will archive your account. The Apprenti interview is a 45 to 60-minute behavioral interview conducted over Zoom. Once you schedule your Apprenti interview, we will share more information on how to best prepare. In general, we recommend that you come ready to discuss your experience, transferable skills, and why you think you would be a good fit for our program. Prior technical experience is not a requirement for our program. If you have prior experience, we would love to hear about it in the interview. If you do not, please know that your application will not be negatively impacted because of this. Your other skills are just as important. Apprenti will reach out to you via email with the results from your interview once a decision has been made. Unless otherwise communicated to you by Apprenti, re-interviewing is not an available option if you do not pass your Apprenti interview. If you are successful in your Apprenti interview, you will be eligible for employer interview matching. Once you have successfully passed the Apprenti screening process, you will be moved into Apprenti's vetted pool of candidates and will be eligible to interview with Apprenti employer partners. Apprenti will match you to employer interview opportunities based on your background and interests. You cannot move forward into the apprenticeship without confirmed sponsorship from one of our employers. Apprenti may send you up to 3 employer interviews as they become available. We typically send more candidates to the employer than available apprenticeship positions, so it is not uncommon for our candidates to interview with multiple employers before being placed into an apprenticeship. The employer interview is the employer's opportunity to select the applicants they wish to move forward into the apprenticeship. This interview will also be behavioral, assessing many of the aspects Apprenti covered in our interview process. Additionally, the employer will be looking for a strong company culture fit. With one of the end goals of our program being apprentice retention post apprenticeship, it is essential that there is a good fit between you and your employer. Your Apprenti point of contact will disperse information for final candidates to better understand the specific company culture and values. We encourage you to consider these items in your interview prep and to thoroughly research any employer prior to interviewing. Apprenti staff will reach out to you via email with a decision from your employer interview. If accepted, your Apprenti point of contact will be in touch with onboarding instructions. Please be prompt in your responses to Apprenti communications. If you are not selected to move forward at this time, you will be contacted by Apprenti when there is another apprenticeship opportunity that matches your background and interests. Please note that you may be subject to passing a background check with the employer partner in order to participate in the program. The apprenticeship journey. In the case of front-loaded related technical instruction, technical training is the first stage in the apprenticeship life cycle. Apprentice accelerated classroom training typically lasts anywhere from 2 to 5 months, depending on your apprenticeship occupation and required curriculum. In some cases, an employer may arrange for technical training to take place concurrently with on-the-job training. Technical training will be offered through one of Apprenti's qualified and vetted training providers in the local area of the apprenticeship, or, if remote, via a virtual option. Classes typically held Monday through Friday during business hours for 40 hours a week, though you may need to spend extra hours of your own time studying or completing assignments, depending on your individual understanding of the course materials. Because of the time commitment and rigor of the technical training, you are discouraged from pursuing part-time work or part-time education while in the program and are required to obtain written permission from Apprenti if these activities continue. We do not want you to sacrifice your success in the program by overcommitting yourself. While technical training costs are subsidized by Apprenti, you may be expected to financially support yourself throughout this first phase of the apprenticeship. Employer partners may choose to pay you on an hourly rate or stipend throughout your technical training, but it is not required and not guaranteed. Please keep this in mind throughout your application process and communicate any concerns or questions to your Apprenti point of contact. You must successfully pass the technical training portion and obtain any required certifications in order to proceed to your on-the-job placement. The learning does not end once you complete your technical training. Once you successfully pass technical training, you will move into the on-the-job training phase with a solid foundation of technical knowledge that you will continue to build upon. This includes the opportunity for you to obtain any relevant industry-recognized certifications that may apply to your apprenticeship occupation. The on-the-job training period is full-time, paid, and typically lasts at least 12 months unless otherwise communicated to you. Registered apprenticeship is a protected wage class. As a registered apprentice, you are still learning the job on the job and are not a fully qualified journey level worker until you complete your program. As an apprentice, you would be compensated at a decreased wage that increases at specific increments as you improve your skills. The apprentice salary minimums will depend on your occupational area and geographic location. Apprentices will also receive access to other company standard benefits, such as health insurance and retirement savings during their on-the-job training. Throughout the on-the-job training, You will receive close supervision by other experienced workers to ensure that you are successful in the learning of the role. Once you have met the competencies of your apprenticeship as evaluated and determined by your employer, you will have the experience and education to qualify for a full-time job at your hiring company. Employer partners will have the opportunity to retain you should they choose. Additionally, once graduated, you will earn your Journey Level Worker Certificate, a Department of Labor recognized certification that outlines your participation in the program and qualifies you as a Journey Level worker in your occupation. This is a great addition to any resume and can make you that much more competitive in your career field. Apprenti does have approval with the Department of Veterans Affairs for most of our apprenticeship occupations and in most of our programs locations. For qualified veteran apprentices or apprentices with access to GI Bill benefits, Apprenti can assist you in enrolling in our program with the VA for the use of GI Bill benefits during on-the-job training. Benefits during on-the-job training are typically a monthly housing allowance from the VA based on the number of on-the-job training hours you worked that month. Apprenti makes it easy for you to utilize these benefits and assist in the initial enrollment, as well as monthly hour certifications with the VA. To learn more, visit the Veterans Services page on our website. The number of available apprenticeship openings is based on the interest and demand of hiring partners. Apprenticeship opportunities become available on a rolling basis. For screened opportunities, once we receive confirmation from an employer to launch an upcoming cohort in a particular market, we will invite candidates for interviews. As mentioned previously, because we are an employer select apprenticeship program, individuals may enter our apprenticeships in different ways, but we hope that this video gave you an idea of the general process. If after watching this video you have any further questions, please visit our FAQ page on our website or contact us at info@apprenticareers.org. Thank you.